Yeah. Hi all, I'm Jihan and today I am gonna be responding to all the feedback you guys have been giving me. So one of the most important ones was that my sound quality wasn't very good like all in my previous videos. My uncle whose name is Arnik, my father's brother, just told me to get a mic, so I ordered one. The Boya lavalier microphone BYM1. And thanks to all who actually comment on my videos. Just before proceeding, I have a favor to ask you. So just down there you can see a red button. See, it's just easy as pressing this. Just do so, please, and press the bell icon. I was always wanting to do this because I saw this in most of the famous videos. In my past 20 videos I was not asking y'all for subscriptions, but now I am, as it encourages me a lot. I get encouraged. Yeah, so let's continue. And the second thing is that the average view time of most of my videos is 1 minute, though my videos are for 6 to 7 minutes. So just increase the watch time. I'll feel happier, and write feedback because I'm gonna improve my overall quality of my videos. So that's it. Let's start. Just before starting, once again, unboxing this and giving you the review, just make sure to check out this channel named as Technical Guruji. It's a very good channel which gives which I also follow, which gives you the latest info about tech, phones, etc. So make sure you do that. Just press the bell after your subscription, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So here's my Boya lavalier microphone BYM1. Looks good. Quite excited. Okay, so here's a scratch coating to just check the authenticity. That's good. Just check it afterwards because I want to open it. The back side, it shows the features as well as the specifications, and the MRP written on the back side is 2000, but I got it for around 1100, which I found was a good rate on Amazon. So I'll just quickly open it. The new wiry smell. Is that a leather bag? Oh yeah, it's a leather bag. Nice. Portable pouch. Has a quick start manual. Nice. And there is a warranty card. Just keep this quick start manual aside. Keep the bell paper aside too. Now I'll quickly remove. This is my microphone. This looks like the mic. The wire is so big. This is the barrel. You unscrew it? Yeah, you unscrew it. I love it. You can see that battery placement. What else is there? This is too good to be true. A pop filter for my mic, so that it just ignores the background sounds. The small tiny clip, I can just cling it on my shirt. I don't know what's this cleaning thingy. Then this is for DSLRs and camera. This is a very good thing about this whole model, that you can use this microphone with phones, iPhones, pads, iPads, computers, MacBooks, and DSLRs and cameras. I usually could use a C class adapter with it for my HTC U11. So let's see this battery. It's fun to make noise with this stuff. Just a minute, the battery's name was LR44. I'll just quickly fit my battery. Touched my battery. I'll just switch it on. this seems quite good. So there are two switches. There is the camera mode, as I said, for DSLRs and your normal small pocket the small cameras. Then there's the off button, like you can even use this button for connecting it with your smartphones. Now I'll quickly add my pop filter. Yeah, filter. So it's also called as a foam windscreen. Nice. Now I'm gonna be showing, I'll just unscrew this, I'll be showing you how is the sound quality with this mic. I know I'm speaking a bit loud today because I'm very excited. This looks as if it's 30 feet long. I've just tied half, like bunch of it so that it does not disturb me. This can like give you that wireless feeling, but it can even get a mess times. Now I'm gonna take my clip. This is how my clip looks. Now you can see this part over here. Just attach it. It's done. I'll just change it from the camera mode to the smartphone mode. Just love this feature. Am I audible? Am I audible? Is there any change? Check. Mic check 1 2 3. Is it working, cameraman? Can you just pause the video for a second? This cuts all that background noise, the insects and the birds chirping and the fans noise. Now my cameraman is just 10 feet away from me. I was having a short range over here, but just thought about showing you how it goes when I have a long range. I just love this mic. It's the perfect mic for new YouTubers. Now the good thing about this mic is that when I'm using a phone, I don't need a battery for it. So only when I use DSLRs and cameras, I would be using batteries. I just love it. Just before going, that's all for today, but just before going, just press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So as I told you, just write it, just give me feedback wherever I can improve. And once again, I would like to thank Arnik and all the others who actually encouraged me to purchase this mic. And see you soon.